ngisho ungathenga amatekisi, ngisho ungavula igymnasium, ngisho ungavula ispaza, ngisho ungadayisa izimbuzi, udayise inkomo, ayikho iinvestment edlula ukinvesta kuwena. Ayikho investment edlula ukinvesta kuwena. Abantu ngibabona mina befuna ukukhokheleka so much, befuna ukuvaluisha so much financially, monetarily, but they never take their time ukuthi ba-investe kubona. Bethathe nje isikhathi sabo ba-investe kubona. Not to mention ukuthi they just shy away from lento yani ye-passion. Hayi, abayibheki le ye-passion. They are chasing things. I don't know ukuthi bacabanga ukuthi lento ye-passion zidididi kuphela yini ekumele zifocus kuyona, because i-passion yakho ngisho bekuthiwa wena financial awuboni ukuthi izo expedite lento yokuthi ufike esicongweni. As long as kuyi-passion, that is fire. That is fire. That is you are an alchemist that need to turn the base metal into gold. Your passion can take you very far. But abantu bafocus kwini kuyimali, bafocus ekuthenini ama get rich quick schemes. We wish you all the best. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona into ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite. The universe, your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. I'm telling you the truth. Yabona uma unga investile kuwena, kuyabonakala ukuthi awu investile kuwena. Lokho kuyabonakala because into enzakalayo, money is just a game, right? It's just a game of numbers. I don't want even to go into details nalento yokuthi people don't want to invest to themselves ngalento ekuthiwa financial knowledge, financial information, yabo. Lokho abakwenzi angibeke eceleni ke lokho. Ukuzi-equipa, ukudiga i-knowledge, ukuba ucultivate i-skill sakho ube, ngoba kudinga lento ithatha i-passion lento ukuthi ukwazi ukuyenza uyiphinda until you are a better version of yourself. It takes courage and love of what you do, yabo, ukuze uzoba better and better. Abantu abaningi yazi ukuthi kula mabhizinisi abakuwona, some of them they are just using force for things to happen, yabo. Some of them they are not even in love with what they do, just for the sake of money, and they are not in abazizwa be connected ne purpose, yabo, because umqondo ufuna lento ye connection ukuthi I'm connected and I'm working towards the purpose, yabo, I'm fulfilling the purpose. Kuba na that is life. That's what we call life, because now uba nalento ukuthi I'm giving out ilokungana i-value, yabo. I'm giving out i-value and I'm being valued as well monetarily, yabo. Awufocus kulento yokuthi wena ufuna imali first, ufocus ekuthenini wena, yabo, uzizwa uphila a fulfilling life ngalento sokuyenza, because you are eager to learn more and be better in what you are doing, you see, and receive a positive and constructive feedback and work on that, yabo. We are willing ukuthi ube kuleso stage leso, yabo, nokuthi ube kuleyo ndawo. But uma ngabe ukuthi vele nalento oyenzayo is not your passion, wena we are just focusing emalini, awuyinaki zonke lento engikhuluma ngazo, into eyodwa nje umuntu agxeka kuyona, kuvele kube sengazi ukuthi nje useyi-threat lo muntu, u-under attack. Ubobabuka nje abantu abaningi, is like ba-under attack uma, yabona, abantu badiniwe nje, uyamfica emsebenzini udiniwe, uyambona umudi, lo msebenzi lo akuwona lento ayenzayo le ayimlight up, akuyona into emenza ukuthi akhohlwe ukuthi kunenkinga nayo ngoba usesentweni ayithandayo. Into lene intensify le nkinga le and imhlanganyela nalezi inkinga anazo lo msebenzi lo awenzayo, ngoba vele ayikho into ane passion yayo yena. akafocusile futhi akekho even kuleso sigaba sokubuka indaba ngendlela ngeso le passion, cha, akekho lapho. Ngoba yabona i-passion ngisho uphuma ukokwenza lento ongayithandi noma kuthiwa kube terrible kangakanani lokho kade ukwenza, but now when you come back to your passion, that is where you feel your soul uba fulfilled, because now usuzongena la kulento one-passion yayo, and by so doing you make sure ukuthi you show up each and every day kuleyo passion yakho, and you are willing to learn. You come with an open mind, yabo, and that in that way, that is how you invest in yourself. We are learning. You are open to learning, yabo. You are open to learn. You awuthi uzophinda phinda into eyodwa nje wena, awuyi phambili, awuyi emuva, lo uphinda phinda into eyodwa nje. Awubi better, awuqhamuki ngisho nanendlela ezinye zokwenza lento ngenye indlela, because kule passion osukuyona noma kule field osukuzithola ukuyona wena, mawukuthi uyayithanda, surely soke zikhona indlela ezothi indlela enginothando ngala lento kuzofika ngisho ama downloads, because we are connected to what you are doing. Kuzofika ngisho ama downloads azokutshela ukuthi now how can you try to do this thing better, how can you yabo like try to do things better in a very efficient way. Uqhamuke nezinto within, yabo. Kunabantu abathanda ukufundisa, abathanda ukuba uthisha nje, yabo, abafundisayo nje le ilokhungana le ama subject matters lawo. They are in love so much ngendlela yokuthi kangangokuthi bona baqhamuka nama strategies athile ukuthi nansi enye method engenza ngayo umfundi ukuthi abambe lento engiyifundisayo, and baphinde befocus on the business side of their profession, yabo, because there is a profession. I-profession yakho ayiwena phela, yabo, kumele ukwazi ukuhlukanisa lokho. I-profession leyo, but there's a business side of i-profession. So uyakwazi ukuthi ngenxa ukuthi in love with what he or she is doing, qhamuka namanye ama methods okubukwenza umfundi uthi abambe abese formulator the systems around the profession yakhe, the system, because being in business means you are owning systems, yabo. There's a system, that's an efficient system that keeps running, that makes you ukuthi ube financially liberated and financially free. Hayi ukuthi wena ngaso sonke isikhathi systematize izinto, but abantu abafocus kulento ekuthiwa passion, abafocus kulento ekuthiwa e-learning. Yabona uma ukuthi lo msebenzi owenzayo we are not willing to learn kuwona, that is not your job, that is not the work that you meant to do. If you are not willing to learn and being better and better lapho, ayone yakho lonto leyo akuyona yakho. Not to mention ukuthi uzizwa uconnected yini mawuyenza. Obvious vele angisakubali lokho ngoba vele kusho kona ukuthi you are not willing to learn nje la, it's because vele you are not in love with what you are doing, yabo, and we are just doing this just to get paid. And then the question is, after that, what you do next? Where is your focus? Emva kalokho kushuthi ufana nomshini phela makunjalo wena uzosetshenziswa bese uyafa. Umshini phela into yenza ile ukhiqize ube obsolete ufe phela indaba yawo. Ayiloko nje uyasetshenziswa wena umshini yini wena. Ave ukuthi wena you have to come here and give out your talents to the world. What is your passion? What is that you are willing to learn more kukona ukuthi ube better and better? If mangabonza into oyithandayo willing ukulalela expand, uyabo, angazi noma abantu bayithola net in that way. Iyeza imali ngoba vele imali isuka izovaluisha umuntu osuyena when you have invested in yourself. There's no money that will come to you while you are not invested in yourself.